In this video, I'll be starting a small series on repairing and refurbishing a tire machine, tire changer. This is a horizontal table style. I think it's called. Oh man, I just forgot. But when I got it, those that bottom um, valve there was seized, so I had to open them both up, and it was, as expected, full of debris, junk, and rust, and all sorts of stuff. And so, see, even if these machines work, you sort of want to disassemble them and clean them because they'll sort of, especially these pistons here, it has those two massive pistons. There's the other one, and as you can see, it's full of junk. And this junk, this stuff, it'll damage the seals and score the walls of the pistons. Fortunately, this one at least is it's fine, but see, that's how much garbage it's got in there. So I'm gonna clean that up and clean up the seal too. And yeah, that should be fine.